So hi, good morning everyone. Up to now we have finished chemical electric current, chemical effects of electric current. Until now we have finished what is like electrical conductivity, conductor, insulator. Now we'll start from the what is electrolysis, right? What is electrolysis, right? So electrolysis is nothing but a setup. We know a salt solution can conduct the electricity. So here I am taking a solution which is full of salt. Right? This salt solution, what we call this electrolyte. Yesterday or in last video I have told electrolyte is a solution through which electricity is passing. Now in this we are keeping two metal or non-metal. It can be anything, metal or non-metal rods. These are the rods. Together these are called electrode. So electrode is nothing but electrode, metal or non-metal. Anything it can be, metal or non-metal rod dipped मतलब जो डुबाया गया dipped in solution in electrolyte is called the electrode. Now these two electrodes they have two different signs, right? Suppose if it is a positive sign, then another will be the negative sign. Positive sign electrode and negative sign. We know that ions are of two types. Ions are of two types: positive ions, negative ions. Positive ions is cation and negative ions is anion. So similarly, here we have electrode, right? Electrode. In electrode also two types: positive electrode and negative electrode, right? So that positive electrode is called, and right here because it is not visible to that side. Okay, so that positive electrode is called anode and negative electrode is called cathode. So up to now what we have seen in electrolysis, we have the electrolyte and electrodes too. It can be the metal or non-metal, positively charged and negatively charged. Positively charged electron is called the anode and negatively charged is called the cathode. Now I have connected this with a cell, connected to a cell because we want to conduct the electricity, right? Whenever the this solution is having the ion, right? Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, cation, anion, various ions are there in this solution, and this is a metal. So when the battery is connected or the cell is connected, what will happen? That current will be flow from that side, and we know that negative charge attract each other. I can write here negative or opposite charge attract each other. Opposite charge attracts, right? Opposite charge attracts. Very good. If you know this concept, then electrolysis is easy for you because negatively charged can be attracted by the positive charge and positive charge can be attracted by the negative charge. So now we have here cations. कितने सारे cations हैं, right? So what happen with these cations? These will be attracted by this negative charge, right? So सारे जो positive charge है वो इसके आसपास आ जाएंगे because opposite charge attract each other. So all the positively charged, or the simple thing I want to say, all cation will go to the, where it will go? Cation is positively charged. It will go to the negatively charged, which is called the cathode. Cations will go to the cathode and anions will go to the anode. So cations already here with cathode and anions will be coming here, minus, 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 minus. सारे जो है anions will come together to the, so this setup is called the electrolysis. Means we providing the chemical reaction with the help of electrolyte and the electric cell is called the, or I write the definition of electrolysis this setup you must know. The question will come in the examination. What is electrolysis? Explain with the diagram. So you need to draw this diagram. It is available in book itself. And I will write the definition of electrolysis. Just give me a second. Let me rub this. Okay. So what is electrolysis here? Definition I will write. It is the process of production chemical reactions. It is the process of production of chemical reaction by the help of electrolyte. Electrolyte is nothing but that salt solution. Electrolyte and these electrodes. Electrodes can be the negatively charged and positively charged, which is nothing but the cathode and anode, right? So this is the electrolysis definition I have already told. Process I have already told. Negatively charged or opposite charged particle attract each other. That's why all the negatively charged will go to the cathode and all the positively charged will go to the cathode and negatively charged will go to the anode, right? So this was our this concept. Next, what will happen when this we have taken, right? This electrode we have taken and this solution we don't know about what solution we have taken. But now I am saying if I am taking this solution which is NaCl, which is called the sodium chloride. Now the solution is taken which is called the sodium chloride. So here we will get three things. Three things we can get when electrolysis of sodium chloride is done. Okay. Electrolysis of sodium chloride. Electrolysis of sodium chloride. NaCl is nothing but the sodium chloride. We will need to remember these 3 points whenever the electrolysis of sodium chloride will be there. First point, second point, and the third point. First point is evolution of gas. Evolution of gas, मतलब gas produce होगी. Which gas? Here NaCl is a salt, and with NaCl what we are adding is called the water, right? So from here we will get the chlorine gas, and from here we will get the hydrogen gas. So chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. These two gases we will get. And the second point, one more thing I want to just need to add, that chlorine gas will be at the anode. Anode means नेगेटिव जो हमारा इलेक्ट्रोड है उस पे क्लोरीन गैस इवॉल्व होगी एंड पॉजिटिव पे मतलब कैथोड पे हाइड्रोजन गैस इवॉल्व होगी. द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट. एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट, द solutions color will be changed. Color will be changed. Why it will be changed? Because this chlorine is nothing but the green color. Chlorine का जो कलर होता है वो ग्रीन कलर होता है. And when the reaction will take place, उसका जो solution है that will be convert little bluish color or greenish color. Bluish or greenish color just because of the chlorine. So the color will be changed. And the third, metal will be deposits on electrode. जो हमारे पास दो इलेक्ट्रोड है, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, मतलब जो एनोड एंड कैथोड, ऑन दैट इलेक्ट्रोड metal will be deposits. We will get the metal, right? So these 3 points, these 3 things we will get whenever we will do the electrolysis of NaCl, evolution of gas, H2 gas, chlorine gas at anode and H2 gas at cathode. Then second one is a changing of the color because of the chlorine molecules. So chlorines होंगे and chlorine is of a green color, and due to the green color the whole solution's color will be changed. Then the last one is metal will be deposited on the either cathode or anode or on the both, right? So till now, and this electrolysis can be done for the hydrogen also, means H2O. We can do the electrolysis of H2O also. So what will be happen here? We will get H2 and O2. What we will get? H2 and O2. H2 is also gas, O2 is also gas. So we got the evolution of gas. Whenever the electrolysis will be there, these three things we will get. So once again I give the example of one more compound called water. And by water we got H2 gas and O2 gas. Okay, so H2 gas at cathode and O2 gas as anode. So whenever this spacecraft is going, because whenever we are going out, oxygen is less, or in submarine their oxygen is less, so what they will do, they are using this electrolysis of H2O, water, electrolysis of H2O, so they will get the oxygen for breathing. How they are getting oxygen for breathing? By the electrolysis process. Whenever the submarine is going under the sea, or the plane or that spacecraft is going, that person, they are using electrolysis of H2O, so they can get oxygen for breathing. Right now, what all the things we can get by the electrolysis? What are the applications of electrolysis? Right. So one application I have already told, that you will get the oxygen. Right. So we will see another applications. So first application is this electroplating. What are the applications of electrolysis? Applications of electrolysis. So first one is electroplating. What is electroplating? Electroplating is nothing but the providing the coating on any metal. एक metal पे दूसरे metal की coating electroplating है. For an example, at our home we are using utensils which is made up of a steel, but on some utensil there is a layer of aluminium, right? So that layer is nothing but the because of electroplating. And in like jewelries, nowadays these jewelries are coming, they are electroplated with the silver foil, golden foil, that not pure gold is there, but that layer or that plating they are using in jewelries also, by on making of statues and all, there we are using this electroplating. Then the formation of oxygen for breathing purpose I have told. And the third one, evolution of gas. Again this came, evolution of gas. We can get the chlorine gas, we can get the hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, and all other gases we can get, right? Then we can get the metals. In last we have seen the metals will be deposited on the electrode or cathode, so we will get the metals from here directly. Okay, so these are certain applications of electrolysis. Now we will see what is electroplating. I have already given you the brief introduction, but in further I need to tell you what are the applications of electroplating, what is electroplating, how it is to be done, right? So just give me a second, let me rub this. Okay, so electroplating. Electroplating is nothing but the providing the layer of metal or any object is called the electroplating. Now the uses I have already told on making. For the decoration purpose we are using this on jewelry, statues, at all decoration purpose. Then utensils. Then on utensils we are using this. Some more applications are there like jewelry. Okay, and to reduce corrosion, if iron is getting rust, right, rusting of iron, so if you will get coating on that iron piece, then you will not get the corrosion, jung nahi lagega usko, rusting nahi hoga. So to reduce the corrosion, these all are the applications of the electroplating. Now while doing electroplating, three conditions are there. So you need to follow the conditions. What are the three conditions are there that I will tell you. First one is the object to be coated suppose if we want to coat on iron के ऊपर कोई और metal coat करना है, so the object to be coated is taken as a cathode, and the object or metal which is deposited, जो बाहर से हमने डिपोजिट करने के लिए लाया है उसके ऊपर, suppose this is iron piece, so this I will take as a cathode, right? And this white color I want to do electroplating of this particle on this iron piece, so this will be taken as the anode, means this second one coated as a cathode and to be deposited, whatever we need to deposit is called the anode. So these two conditions, and the last condition is the salt solution. We are taking salt solution, right, in electrolysis. This salt solution we are taking. So here this cathode is to be coated and this anode is to be deposited. Okay, sir. Then this solution is, suppose if you want to put this coated is a copper, हमको copper के ऊपर कवरिंग करवानी है, we need to put layer on this copper, so this salt solution must have copper inside that. Like sodium chloride, if we want to do the plating of the chlorine का plating करवाना है, then NaCl we can take sodium chloride, but here suppose we want to do the electroplating or that particular cathode is copper, so we will take some other salt which includes the copper. For an example, copper sulfate, right? So these are the basic things in this chapter. Since I have already taught you this chapter before also, but again as a revision you can take this, and the question answer of this chapter also I will send with the question answer of the friction. Half-yearly is coming nearby, so prepare well for that, and good luck. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me anytime, and I just give you the question answer of this chapter. Till that, just prepare yourself.